Imaginein mo to. May 1 million pesos ka, saan mo i-invest? Sa bangko? Pag-usapan natin yan. Let's do the math. Sa regular savings account, ang 1 million mo ay kikita lang ng around 500 pesos net in a year dahil sa baba ng interest rate. At tax, basically, your money is losing value every day dahil na rin sa inflation. That's why smart investors look at options like FWD Fastlane. It's a 2-in-1 solution because it is insurance protection plus investment. Number 1, you can only pay this plan for only 2 years. Pero covered ka na up to age 100. Number 2, instant protection. At kung may mangyari sa'yo nang hindi inaasahan, may life insurance coverage ka na. At least 5 times ng annual premium mo. So, that's 5 million pesos in protection. Plus, may investment growth potential pa. Depende sa market performance. Number 3, well, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko dito. May quarterly payout. Hindi mo na kailangan maging senior citizen para maramdaman yung tinatawag na benefit. Because with FWD Fastlane, every 3 months, pwede kang makatanggap ng quarterly payout galing sa investment mo. Para kang may allowance or pension ngayon pa lang. Kaya, huwag mong hayaang matulog lang ang 1 million mo sa bangko. Let's make it work harder for you. Message mo lang ako, pag-usapan natin yan. For more info, just message me, your friendly wealth manager. See you!